Hello everyone, I am Atul Garg and I am going to teach you Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude, which is part of GS paper 4 of Civil Services Mains Exam. I am teaching ethics since 2013 when it was introduced for the first time by UPSC. I am quite lucky that I have this distinction of being the first teacher of ethics in India. Since 2013, I have taught more than 17,000 students in different institutions of Delhi, including my own institution. I have also written 2 books on ethics. One book is on Section A and another book is on Section B, case studies. And while preparing for civil services myself, I mastered over 3 subjects. They are psychology, philosophy, and public administration. And luckily for me again, these 3 subjects form the foundation of ethics paper. Around 200 students have cleared so far directly from my classroom and test series program. PrepLadder has for the first time brought finest teachers of different disciplines and have put them on one single platform. Along with the classes that will be taken in both Hindi and English, the platform will also provide you material in printed format as well as class notes and also the test series for prelims and mains. In the interview stage, interviews will also be conducted by PrepLadder. My teaching style would be in line with the nature of this paper. This paper is more about thinking and brainstorming rather than just memorizing documented knowledge. This paper is more about observation, brainstorming and application of knowledge rather than just memorizing conventional knowledge. My style of teaching would be like that. It will help you to develop your cognitive processes. I will not teach you new ideas, but I will teach you how to think. This paper is more about a well-formed mind rather than a well-filled mind. I will provide you with multiple sources like Mahabharata, Ramayana, Western philosophies, Indic studies. So multiple sources I will refer to, and together a comprehensive, diversive perspective would be provided to all the students. So thank you very much and all the best for not only this exam but also the exam called life. Thank you.